Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful sad question, and it's true that if x plus y equals 13 and we are asked to find the value of x minus 5 raised to the power of 100 minus y minus 8 raised to the power of what? 100. So how do we go about it? I guess probably the first approach or the best approach to tackle this math problem is to make x or y the subset of relation in this first equation, and we substitute it into this, then we evaluate. Alright, so how do we go about it? Let's make y the subset of relation in this case. So here we come here, let's say here you have that x plus y equals 13. Okay, making y the subset of relation, let's subtract x from both sides. So by doing that, or we just move x over to the right hand side, and because of this equal sign, the sign that accompanies x here will become minus here. So because here is plus and here will be minus, so y will now be 13 minus x. Okay, so what we need to do now is to plug in the value of x into this expression. So we now have here, this is x minus 5 all raised to the power of 100, then minus. So here, okay, let me just put the square bracket here so that then this 13 replaces what? Y. So here you have 13 minus x, okay, in bracket, then minus 8, then raised to the power of what? 100. Okay, so if you actually open this bracket in here, you end up having 13. Here you have x minus 5 all raised to the power of 100 minus, then here you have let's say this is 13 minus x minus 8. Okay, and 13 minus 8 here will give us 5. So here you have 5 minus x, then all raised to the power of what? 100. Now, if you look at this term here and this term here, you see they are similar, but this is the negative of this. Okay, so for us to make this term here the same as this, now come here, let's do something unique. So if you have, let us say you have a minus b. Okay, now this can be written as minus b plus a, right? Okay, and if we want to create the negative of this from this, now what we all need to do is to factor out -1 from this. Okay, so which means if you factor out -1, you have -1, then into this side becomes plus, then this one becomes what? Minus. So we end up having negative b minus a. Okay, so this now is now the negative of this. So here you have the inverse negative. So here you have that x minus 5 all to the power 100, then minus. Now you have to be very careful. Now the whole of this now is this. So we end up bringing like this, that minus into, so if we say here this is 5 minus x, so this will become x minus 5. Okay, so plug it here, you have x minus 5. You can take note, all raised to the power of what? 100. Now another one here, if we have minus a all raised to the power of 100, it is same thing as saying a raised to the power of 100, right? So which means if you plug in here that if our a here now is x minus 5, so that will be x minus 5 all raised to the power of what? 100. You see same thing as saying x minus 5 all raised to the power of what? 100. Sorry. Okay, so which means the whole of this again is what? X minus 5 all raised to the power 100 minus, since the whole of this is the same thing as this, you have x minus 5 all raised to the power 100. So this term, since you can see that we have the same term here, so this minus this will give us what? 0. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.